Hi, I'm Lisa Massarwe. As your new Senior Vice President and Chief Nursing Officer at Albany Med, I'm proud to be here alongside you, honoring our nurses, patient care associates, and support staff. This is Nurses Week, when we highlight the outstanding commitment to patient care that you provide each and every day. That has never been as clear as it has been during this extraordinary time. As a nurse for 35 years, I believe ours is the most trusted of all professions. And even when things seem most challenging, we excel, we lead, we innovate. We do this to heal the minds and the bodies and the hearts of our patients. We are privileged to touch humanity. Our mission is life-changing and heroic, and I'm honored to be working with you.